In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set both AutoSave and AutoRecover intervals appropriately in PowerPoint. Having these features set up correctly can be a lifesaver, preventing any headaches from unexpected losses of your important work. Let's dive right in and make sure you have everything set up the way you need it. First, go ahead and launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you've got PowerPoint open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. You'll see the File tab there. Click on it. This is your gateway to the myriad of options and settings available in PowerPoint, including those for saving and recovering your work. Once you've clicked on the File tab, you'll notice various options on the sidebar. What you're looking for now is the Options button. It's an essential area that holds all the settings you need to customize how PowerPoint behaves. Click on Options to bring up a new window filled with different customizable features. In this Options window, focus your attention on the left-hand side where you'll find the Save category. Clicking on Save is where the magic happens, as it provides you with access to configure the AutoSave and AutoRecover settings. These settings are pivotal because they determine how often PowerPoint will save a backup copy of your work automatically. Now, under the section titled Save Presentations, direct your focus to the option Save AutoRecover Information every X minutes. This is the core setting you'll be working with. AutoRecover is a safety net ensuring that, should anything go wrong, like a sudden power outage or a program crash, PowerPoint has been quietly backing up your work in the background. Next, ensure that the box right beside Save AutoRecover Information every X minutes is ticked. By having this box checked, you are enabling AutoRecover, which actively saves a backup at the interval you define. Speaking of intervals, the final step involves deciding the number of minutes after which AutoRecover should take place. Here is where personal preference and peace of mind come into play. If you're working on something pacey or prone to frequent updates, you might opt for a shorter interval, say every 5 or 10 minutes. For general purposes, a 10-minute interval tends to be a balanced choice. Simply add your chosen number, and PowerPoint will take care of the rest, ensuring your work is saved at these regular, predefined intervals. And there you have it. With these settings correctly configured, you can work more confidently, knowing that PowerPoint has your back. It's all about creating a safety net that shields you from the unforeseen, letting you focus entirely on crafting those impactful presentations.